Please follow these instructions on how to add circuits to an installation in the Zaptec Portal. There are 3 steps in total in order to complete an installation in the Zaptec Portal. This video shows you the second step by adding circuits to the installation. The last and third step will be to add charging stations to the circuits. As an example, this illustration shows an installation where the charging system circuit breaker is set to 125A. There are 3 circuits added to this circuit breaker, where each circuit is set to 63A. 6 charging stations have been added to each circuit. Log in with your Zaptec user. Dashboard is now displaying. Then click on Installations. This page shows the installations you currently have access to. You may either search for available installations up on the right or select from the list displayed. Select the installation to which you will add circuits. Click on plus Add Circuit. Now fill in the form by naming the circuit, preferably the same name as in the main board, for reference. Set the circuit breaker, which in this case is 63A. Click on Save. Circuit is added. By clicking on plus Add Circuit and following the same procedure, you may add the required amount of circuits. This illustrates the circuit and available power per phase. Circuits was added, and the third step will be to add charging stations to the circuits.